Today I'm going to paint a landscape which is full of mist and fog. This has always been my challenge for painting mists, whether it whatever medium I've used. So this is one of the things that I wanted to do for a long time. This is just the mist, and then a stream of water, some trees, and then a boat. So that should be more than enough for this composition, and then concentrate on exactly whatever I've done. Before that, if you happen to enjoy this video, please take a moment to give it a like and subscribe. Also turn on notifications so that you don't miss new videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So as I said, today I'm going to paint the mist. So the main challenge here is two things, very important, because you can actually paint a landscape or any other thing and paint layer by layer. Everything is good. You can even get the shadows right, color mixing maybe closer to whatever you need. But the main thing with the mist is, first thing you need to keep in mind that you should have a very good watercolor paper, because when I say good watercolor paper is that which can withstand good washes. So that's where if you have started watching from the beginning, you might have already noticed that the entire paper, entire surface, I have made it wet by using water. 2 layers I've applied water in such a way that it looks wet, not damp. After that, I've applied 2 layers. The one is a little bit blue and then indigo. I've just made sure that the first layer is when it is totally wet and the second layer is when it is damp, so that it can withhold little bit of shapes of fog or far away trees. So there are so many things involved in this painting. If you want to try, give it a try, or otherwise you try them part by part and see whether how you're getting along with that particular part or the technique, and then go with each element and then combine all of them and make your own painting. If you're watching this for the sake of enjoyment, enjoy the painting. I'll see you in some other video.